I met this bird on the streets, with the children. It's a baby bird. I don't know what bird it is, but it's a baby. They got it from I don't know which tree, so I had to take it from them. So I brought it home to give it some water. I'm planning on keeping the bird, so yeah, it's not yet used to me, but it's getting used to me. It seems. Hopefully, we can know what bird it is, but I'm not letting it go. I kind of already love it. See, it's letting me pet it now. Cool. I really don't know what bird this is. If you know anything about it, please just let me know. 'Cause I kind of love this bird already. Hey, baby. Ain't this the cutest thing you're gonna see today? For real. I met this bird outside with the children playing with it. They were